guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another wig install for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. So today's video is brought to you by Betterlength hair, and today we'll be installing their thin part natural leave out bob unit, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and move right into the video. So the wig we're installing is their 8-inch thin part leave out unit, and this is it. Of course, it comes with the combs in the side. It has the pop-up clips in the top where you have the leave out section. This is it. So this unit is super easy to install. It's a quick grab and go unit, 100% glueless and 100% beginners friendly. Let's go ahead and install our unit. I will be leaving the link down below. Make sure you check them out. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed down below as well. Go ahead and check out my description if you want to make any purchases. I'm just going to go ahead and move right along to the video. So I already have my hair sectioned out that I'll be leaving out. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the center piece open. As you can see, they have it enclosed. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this section. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like now that we put the wig on. It's already giving us a nice silk press vibes, and as you can see at the roots, it's looking super natural. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair that I had left out. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and look how natural this turned out. Like, I love the way it just blends effortlessly with my natural hair. It looked like I literally just got a silk press. This is it. This is it. It has that really cute behind the ear effect. It's giving us a really natural look. This is it. Again, today's video is brought to you by Betterlength here, and this is their thin part natural leave out bob unit, and I love it. Like 10 out of 10. It's super easy, very convenient, and it's 100% glueless, 100% beginners friendly. Anybody can install this unit. Like, this is it. I love how this turned out. It blends effortlessly with my hair, and I love it. Like, this bob, 10 out of 10. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and check out my description box. I will be leaving the information down below. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this install. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in another video.